Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I recently ordered this mannequin head off off Amazon, and I ordered this one because it is very nice, and it has textured hair, which is like more coarse, more African American hair, and it is human hair. So anything that we could do to a human head, we can do to this mannequin. So we're going to be doing a lot of new things on my channel with this mannequin head, but today we're going to be doing a blowout silk press, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so let's get started. All right, so first thing you want to do is separate it into 4 sections, and this is going to be my example section. This is the section that I'm going to show you how to do your whole head on. So as you can see, I parted this section into 2 separate subsections, and I'm going to focus on drying the roots first. Now, if you did not know, when you're blow drying your hair, once you get your roots pulled out and dry, the ends dry like super quick. So starting off, when I'm blow drying, I always try to focus on the roots of the hair, and then I'll focus on the ends. So when you are doing any type of blowout, blow drying, what you want to do is get you a brush that is, what do they call these brushes? I want to call it vented, but I don't know if that's the right name for the brush. But yeah, you want to get you a brush that is vented so that the heat can go through the brush and get the hair really dry really quick. The blow dryer that I'm using, I think it's a Conair blow dryer. I had it forever. But anyways, I'm just going to continue to blow dry this section. And once it get really dry, I'm going to show you the next step. Y'all, I love this mannequin head, okay? Like, it's so nice and natural. Like, I love the texture. Look at the texture of this hair. This has African American written all over it, okay? Black girl magic. So as you can see, the ends are a little bit untamed, but I'm gonna do that in another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to trim ends, add layers, all of that. But for this video, I'm going to do her a deep side part. And what I'm going to add, since this is human hair, I'm going to add some of the Bio Silk to it. So that, of course, it's going to help smoothen out when I flat iron it. So after I have it blow dried, added the Bio Silk, I'm going to, of course, put the part. And then I'm going to separate it back into different sections. I always do 4 sections. I don't know why. That's just what I like to do. Alright, and so what I'm doing now is just showing you my different sections. The clips that I got, they're really good, and I got them from All Virgin Hair. So starting with the back section, what I'm going to do is going to take a small to medium section. So if you or your client has really thick hair, you want to do more smaller sections. My mannequin head, she has like medium coarse hair, so I'm just going to do like small to medium sections. And so what I do is, once again, the roots is the hardest thing to get straight. So you're going to see in the next little section that I do, I tap the roots at least 2 to 3 times, depending on how coarse the hair is. If it's more coarser, I'll tap it 3 times, and then I will proceed to straighten it out to the ends. And that just keeps, the hair from getting heat damage. If your flat iron is hot enough, that should be enough anyways. My flat iron is on 450, so there's no need to overdo it. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I love this mannequin head. Like, I'm gonna do some ponytails on her. We're gonna do all kind of styles and tutorials on her, y'all. And if you have any suggestions, you could just list it below on what I should do, because it is human hair, like I said. So now I'm just showing you the difference in the side that I straightened already, and then the blown out side. So what I do next is separate the section into 2 subsections. And this, I'm just gonna add like a curl to each section and pin curl it. This just adds body to it at the end. If you really don't want to, just bone straight hair, you want something with a little more body, this will help you get body and maintain the body. So as you can see, I just curled it and pinned it. And so these steps I'm going to continue throughout the whole head, and then I will be back to show you how I do the end. Okay, so once you've straightened the side out as well, I'm just showing you guys how I would curl it to get body. And basically what you're going to do is curl it going backwards because you want that flip. You don't want it to come forward because that's just going to look like a, I don't know, like it's cuffing something, like it's trying to cuff your face. We don't want that, ladies. We want the back flowy look. So, anyways, this is how it looked. I let it sit for about 30 minutes so that everything could cool off. And then I'm just gonna take the pins out. And look how the hair look, y'all. Look how it looks. It looks so nice and natural. Like, listen, whoever made this mannequin, listen, tens all around the table. I'm gonna list the link to this mannequin below. So what I'm gonna do now is just comb out the curls and style it. Do y'all see the fluffiness, the body? Sis don't got flat hair. Sis got body. Sis got body and a little curl to the ends. So as you can see, the ends, they do look like they need to be trimmed a lot actually. But like I said, I'm gonna do that in another video because that's a whole nother lesson for the class, okay? So basically what I'm gonna do is play with the bang until I get it how I want it. And I just love the swoop in her face. I need to give her a name. Drop some suggestions of some names. I need her a really good name. But so yeah. All right, this is the final look. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, concerns, list it below in the comment. You can follow me on Instagram, girl. My Instagram is @slayed_by_Tamia. But yeah, this turned out really, really cute. Really cute. Really cute. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.